Hello, Gert, this is Oscar. Let me explain you how to do this. So let's just say that you have this, right? So this is we're gonna call this here a texto, a text. We're gonna change it to, let's say like factor, okay? Factor. Then we're gonna change this for price, okay? It's gonna be the price. And then we continue here. We're gonna set it up as one, okay, one, and that's it. Now the price that we want to change, okay. So this is like the modification that you do from here. So what we gonna do here is gonna set like price. We're gonna set it like price to the public, right? Like or price label, this one. And so what we want to do is like, depending if this is BX, this one will change, right? And this one, okay, will get the information from this one. So what we have to do here is go here and then say that this element will get the value from another object that is price, okay? There you go. So if I change this one to 30, it would change, okay? There you go. So now what we want to do is, what we want to do here is that this price actually will change depending of these ones, right? So we're gonna go here, and instead of doing like a value of the object, we're gonna go like comments of Visual Basic, and then we're gonna select comments of event control, and then edit, okay? And here you have everything what you need. Here you can have like the control examples, and we're gonna use this, okay? If blah 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 else and if, and we're gonna do the condition, okay? So if, and then we're gonna go to objects of the label. So if the UCOM value, and then select double click, so it'll bring us here. It's then write equals BX, okay, then okay, then you can do like the my value here, just like here. So my value will go for the price, value of the price, and then multiply it by the factor value, okay? Else the value of this object will keep the same of the price, okay? And that's it. You go close, close, and we can try it. We can change to BX, and it would change, you see, to 299.9, okay? And if we want to do, and if we do something else, it will go back, okay? So we have each, let's say the factor is 5 and the price is I don't know, 1999, and then we change it to BX. It go like that, okay? Hope that this actually works for you.